All right, in this video, we are going to look at paired data sets, specifically looking at time series graphs. So when you have a data set that does look like you need to examine it over time, then we need to look at both time on the x-axis, and then we'll use our data values to plot on the vertical or the y-axis to see if there are any trends going on. We will look at this consumer price index for each month for 10 years. And we could look at this month by month if we wanted to, but we're just going to look at this annual column over here. So when I create a time series graph, my years go on the bottom. So we'll have 2003, 4, 2005, 6, 2007, 8, 2009, 10, 2011, and 12. And then I'm going to have a break. Oh my goodness, that was not straight. Here, we'll just kind of straighten it like this. We'll have a break in the graph, and that's fine. And it looks like when I'm looking at my data set that my minimum is at 184 and my max is at about 230. So let's make this 184. Actually, let's make this 180 to 230. So 190, 200, 210, 220, and here is 230. And then you just plot your data points here on your graph, kind of like you would have done in an algebra class. And again, it's going to allow you to see general trends over time. So even though we do have this one dip right here, general trend over time is that this annual consumer price index increases on average each year. Okay, so even though, yes, I do have that one decrease in my data, on average over time, okay, over this 10-year period, I see that this price index is increasing over that time, that decade.